Celery, parsley, lemon, and carrot can be combined into a nutritious juice or smoothie that can help to support your overall health, including your reproductive organ. That is what we'll be discussing in today's video on how you can use these ingredients to shrink your fibroids. So these ingredients have been shown to reduce the size of fibroid tumor because it is have a high richness in antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. So I would show you a simple formula you can use to make sure your fibroid tumor comes down. The fibroid formula I called it is increase your progesterone to reduce your estrogen. Once you do this thing, you can shrink fibroid tumor and also increase vitamin D intake. If this is your first time of seeing this page, don't forget to hit on the subscription button, like and follow for more health tips, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever we drop our video, and also endeavor to engage in our videos. Ingredients: you need 2 to 3 stalk of celery, you need one small bunch of parsley, that is about half cup, you need a large carrot, about 2 medium sized carrots, you need one lemon, apple is optional for sweetening, you need ginger and the rest, and about half cup of water. Wash all the ingredients, rinse the celery, carrot, parsley and lemon, remove any dirt, then cut them into small chunks and fill inside the juicer. The next step you be doing is juice the ingredients. Juice all the ingredients you have cut into small chunks. Juice all of them to bring out their juice. If you like, you can add ginger for added health benefits and flavor to the drink. All you need to to do is to sit down, mix and enjoy your juice. You can also do the same step for smoothie when making a smoothie. You just need to wash your ingredients, cut them, wash all the ingredients, cut them, blend them. The difference between a juice and a smoothie is the particles. Make sure you blend all of them until smooth. Once it's smooth, you can sit back, enjoy it. Maybe you can serve it chilled, anyhow you want. Pour it in your glass and serve it chilled so that you will be able to enjoy this health-filled juice. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is the tips. The tips you can use for this making this. You drink immediately. Fresh juices and smoothies lose their nutritional value so quickly. So it's the best time you can drink it is immediately you make them. Be consistent with this juice because it has a lot of health benefit, not just shrinking your fibroid. You can add supplements to this, like Vites supplement that has been shown to increase your progesterone level, milk thistle supplement, turmeric supplement, green extract, donquai and the rest of them. If this video has added value to you, don't forget to hit the subscription button and also turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever we post our video. See you in my next video. Bye.